The global economy relies heavily on maritime trade, with over 80% of goods transported by sea. Despite modern navigation systems and shipbuilding technologies, certain sea routes continue to challenge even the most experienced sailors. These dangerous waterways present unique hazards, from geographical features to unpredictable weather patterns, creating a dramatic arena where humans battle against the elements. Located between Malaysia and Indonesia's Sumatra Island, the Malacca Strait stands as one of the world's busiest maritime passages. Each year, approximately 100,000 vessels navigate this narrow corridor, just 2.8 kilometers wide at its narrowest point, carrying about a quarter of all global maritime cargo. The dangers here are numerous and varied. Shallow waters and narrow passages make navigation treacherous, especially around numerous small islands. Strong currents and tides combine with frequent tropical storms to challenge even experienced captains. With such high traffic density, the risk of collision remains ever present. In 2017, the tanker MT Al Yarmouk collided with the cargo ship MV Sinar Kapuas in the Singapore Strait, an extension of the Malacca Strait. This accident resulted in an oil spill of about 4,500 tons, caused by poor visibility and the intense vessel traffic characteristic of this region. At the southern tip of Chile's Tierra del Fuego archipelago, Cape Horn has inspired fear in sailors for centuries. Where the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans meet, this area is notorious for its unpredictable weather, gigantic waves, and powerful winds. The dangers of Cape Horn are truly terrifying. Waves can reach heights of up to 30 meters, with winds exceeding 100 kilometers per hour. Storms can form in just hours, while underwater rocks and shoals make navigation extremely challenging. Combined with bitterly cold temperatures, these conditions create one of the most formidable maritime passages on Earth. In 2008, the cruise ship Explorer 2, carrying 114 passengers and 54 crew members, encountered a severe storm while rounding Cape Horn. The ship suffered hull damage from massive waves, and several passengers were injured during the violent rolling. Fortunately, the captain managed to safely navigate to the nearest port in Ushuaia, Argentina. Between Alaska and Russia lies the Bering Sea, recognized as one of the planet's harshest maritime environments. Made famous by the television show Deadliest Catch, this region tests even the most seasoned mariners to their limits. Extreme low temperatures cause dangerous vessel icing, while frequent storms generate waves up to 15 meters high. Poor visibility due to fog and snow further complicates navigation. Drifting ice threatens ship hulls, and the remoteness from rescue centers means that any emergency situation becomes exponentially more dangerous. The 2017 sinking of the fishing vessel Destination in the Bering Sea claimed all 6 crew members. Investigation revealed that the ship encountered extreme weather conditions, including severe icing that led to stability loss and rapid sinking, a tragic reminder of this region's unforgiving nature. Between South America's southern tip and the Antarctic Peninsula lies the Drake Passage, widely considered the planet's most turbulent sea. Here, the waters of 3 oceans, Pacific, Atlantic, and Southern, collide to create extraordinary conditions. The passage features constant storms with waves reaching up to 40 meters and winds frequently exceeding 120 kilometers per hour. Icebergs and ice fields present additional hazards, while extremely cold temperatures test both equipment and human endurance. The extreme remoteness from rescue facilities means that ships in distress face extended periods without assistance. In 2007, the cruise ship MS Explorer sank after striking an iceberg in the Drake Passage. All 154 people aboard were successfully evacuated, but the vessel was completely lost, becoming the first tourist ship to sink in Antarctic waters, a sobering illustration of the passage's dangers. The Persian Gulf, through which much of the world's oil supply travels, combines political risks with natural dangers in a uniquely challenging environment for shipping. Geopolitical tensions and military conflicts create an ever-present backdrop of risk. In some areas, piracy remains a concern. The natural environment poses its own challenges. Summer temperatures can soar to 50 degrees Celsius, while sandstorms frequently reduce visibility to dangerous levels. Shallow waters and reefs in certain areas demand precise navigation. In 2019, several tankers, including the Japanese Kokuka Courageous and Norwegian Front Altair, were attacked in the Gulf of Oman, the eastern extension of the Persian Gulf. Both vessels suffered explosion damage, and crews had to be evacuated. This incident triggered an international crisis and highlighted the risks of shipping in this volatile region. Despite all the achievements of modern technology, the sea remains an unpredictable and sometimes merciless force. The world's most dangerous shipping routes continue to test the strength of not only vessels and equipment, but also the human spirit. Sailors navigating these routes demonstrate exceptional courage and professionalism as they face natural forces that can never be fully conquered. Many maritime disasters of the 21st century show that human factors still play a critical role in shipping safety. Insufficient training, decision-making errors, and safety compromises can turn routine voyages into tragedies. The maritime industry continuously works to improve safety through new technologies, better crew training, and improved international regulations. Nevertheless, nature continues to remind us of its power, and respect for the sea remains an essential quality for anyone who connects their life with the ocean.